Myself Raj. Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java Complete Placement Codes, in the last videos we have discussed about the control statements like if statement and switch statement. And even we have seen some example programs using if statement and switch statement. In this video, we are going to start off with the next control statement, that is loops. Let us understand about loops. The main use of going with loops is whenever we want to execute the statements repeatedly, then we are going to make use of loops. You can say loops are used to execute the set of statements repeatedly when the condition is true. When the condition is true. If the condition is false, then it's going to come out of loop. We are having three types of loops. They are while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Today, let us see about a while loop in this video. The syntax of a while loop is, it is used to check a condition. We have to use a keyword while and we check a condition. Open and close curly braces. Here we go with the set of statements like statement 1, statement 2, like that statement n. Like that statement n. When this condition is true, this set of statements will get executed. Again goes back and checks the condition. Again, if the condition is true, this set of statements will get executed. Like that, it will be keep on executing these statements repeatedly when the condition is true. When the condition is false, it's going to come out of loop. And same syntax rule, if no curly braces, then it considers only one statement. For one statement, using curly braces is optional. Like an example, if you want to display the numbers from 1 to 10, here what is our first value? 1. So initially we take I equal to 1. Then now print the value of I in SOP, means system.out.println. We are displaying the value of I. Then what value it's going to display? 1. What is the next number we want to display? 2. How to make I value 2? By using the increment operator I plus plus. When we say I plus plus, I will become 2. Then again print. Again increment. Again print. Again increment. Again print. Since we want to repeat these two statements, keep these two statements inside the loop. Like this, while loop. When we go with while loop, we have to make use of a condition. Since we want to print up to 10, we go with the condition here like this. I less than or equal to 10. Now, let me elaborate again. See, initially I is 1, comes to while loop. 1 less than or equal to 10, S. SOP I means it's going to print 1. I plus plus, I will become now 2. Goes back and checks the condition again. 2 less than or equal to 10, S. Then SOP I, which is going to print 2. Again I plus plus 3. 3 less than or equal to 10, S. SOP I prints 3. Like that, 9. 9 plus plus 10. 10 less than or equal to 10, S. Then it's going to print 10 for us. Again I plus plus 11. 11 less than or equal to 10, false. Then it's going to come out of loop. So when the condition is true, it is going to execute this set of statements. And when the condition is false, it's going to come out of loop. Now, if I want to print from 50 to 100, then what we have to do? Just to replace this I value with 50. Then here we have to go with the condition I less than or equal to 100. So it's going to start printing from 50 to 100. A small change in the code will display the result for us. Now, let us see some example programs using while. Today, let us go with one simple example in this video. That is, write a program to display even numbers from 100 to 200. I want to display even numbers from 100 to 200. Means how the output should come? What are even numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 2. When you divide a number by 2, the remainder should be 0. So here, since we want to print from 100 to 200, so we have to, the numbers will be, output will be 100, 102, 104, like that, 198 and 200. This is the result we are going to get for this. Now, let us start writing the program. Let me open Eclipse. In our project, create a new class. Let us go with the name even with main method inside. Now, for this program, do we require any input? No. So, since we want to start printing the numbers from 100, so we'll take a variable n equal to 100. Now take the loop while n less than or equal to 200. Since we want to print up to 200, we are taking the condition as n less than or equal to 200, n plus plus. The loop repeats for 100 times. That is 100 to 200 means 100 times it's going to repeat, where the number is present in n variable. Now check whether that n is divisible by 2 or not, like this. If n mod 2 equal to 0, if the remainder is 0, that means n is even, then display the value of n. System.out.print the value of n. That's it. Now see, let me elaborate. Initially n is 100. 100 less than or equal to 200, yes. Then 100 mod equal to 0, yes. Then it's going to print n value, which is what here? 100 for us. So the output will be, first it's going to print 100. Next, again control goes to n plus plus, n will become 101. 101. Goes back to condition 101 less than or equal to 200, yes. Then 101 mod equal to 0, no. So no print operation. Again n plus plus, n will become now 102. 102 less than or equal to 200, yes. Then 102 mod equal to 0, yes. Then it's going to print 102. Where beside 100 only. Beside 100 only, it's going to display 102. When we use print, the result will be printed in the same line. If I use print ln means new line, that 102 will be printed to the next line. So print means same line. Like this. Again n plus plus, n will become 103. 103 less than or equal to 200, yes. Then 103 mod 2 equal to 0, no. So no print operation. Again control goes to n plus plus 104. 104 less than or equal to 200, yes. Then 104 mod equal to 0, yes. Then it's going to print 104 where beside 102 only. Like that it repeats. When n value becomes 201, 201 less than or equal to 200, false comes out of loop. Now, so like that it's going to print up to 198 and 200. Now when condition becomes false, it's going to come out. Now see, when we run, we are going to get the result here. So is it readable output? No. See, now these values we want to separate by space or some comma. Then we have to use here what? N. Add a concatenation symbol plus and add a space over here. Now see, when we run, we get the result separated by space. Now, in order to display odd numbers, just a small change, just we have to say not equal to 0. When you just apply not equal to 0 or double equal to 1, then this code is going to display the odd numbers from 100 to 200. Please practice this program. In the next video, we will be learning some more new examples, new programs related to while loop. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.